Hello everyone, welcome to Wisdom Loom. I'm happy that you've decided to invest your time with me today. As a career coach, I will bring some valuable insights that can be truly transformational to kickstart your career journey. You must have heard success often begins with humble beginnings. So let me start by sharing three examples of great achievers known to the corporate world. Well, who's not heard of legendary Steve Jobs? As a high school intern at HP, Steve Jobs got his first taste of tech industry working alongside engineers on electronic projects. Another big name, Satya Nadella. Satya started as an intern at Sun Microsystems while pursuing his master's degree in computer science. Well, last but not the least, Indra Nooyi began her career as an intern at Johnson & Johnson while she was a student at Yale School of Management. This is a strong reason I'm emphasizing on these examples. Well, we need to get that perspective. Remember, every story starts small, but getting the right start is important. Finding the right internship is a critical step in your career journey. It's not just about gaining work experience, but about laying the foundation of your career future path. Keep in mind, the search for an internship can be both exciting and overwhelming. The step in your career journey is more than just a resume booster. It's a unique opportunity to explore potential career paths, develop valuable skills, and build a network that can support your professional growth. Now, the question is that how do you ensure you're making the most of your internship experience? Do not worry, my friends. This is where I come in. So let me introduce myself. I'm Amit Sharma. I come with over 25 years of experience in IT services industry, managing global customers and developing top talent. I've seen firsthand how crucial internships are. Do you know there's a lot that your set of generation struggles to make the most and get to that dream internship that you're longing for. So I will share with you the key factors to make your internships count and also tell you how to prepare yourself to get employment opportunities that can potentially result in getting almost 25 to 30% higher starting salary. And yes, that is possible. So let's get straight into it. I'll talk about what you need to do and how you need to approach your internships. Number one, align your internship with your career goals. First and foremost, reflect on your long-term career aspirations. What industries and roles interest you the most? Seek internships that align with these interests as they can provide relevant experience and insight into your chosen field. For instance, if you're passionate about digital marketing, look for opportunities in companies that have robust online marketing strategies. Leverage social media platforms like LinkedIn. Make sure you have a comprehensive and updated LinkedIn portfolio where people can find you and you're ready to network. I would highly recommend you to start early in your journey so you are ahead in the game. In fact, start off from the early years of college. I personally ensured my daughter's LinkedIn portfolio was ready as soon as she started college. Additionally, your research has to be rock solid. I'll talk more about it in my upcoming videos. A lot of you would be wondering why or where do I start? So, a good starting point to explore can be platforms like internshala.com. This is a career tech platform that helps college students and freshers to get best starts in their careers. Then there's another one that you can explore. It's called usestory.com. This is a platform dedicated to foster the startup ecosystem. You can find entrepreneurship related trends, stories, resources, product offerings, research reports, and much, much more. In this research, you must look for venture capital funding and scalable business models because that's where you will find the real growth potential. And by the way, this is not a paid review. All right. Moving forward, number two, it's the company culture and values. Do you know this is a critical point and is often ignored by applicants? Please remember that it affects your day to day well being, productivity, as well as your professional growth. This is where your research on company's values, mission, and workplace environment comes into play. The key points you must check is the organization. Regarding this organization, if they are supportive of the interns, do they foster learning and innovation so it becomes meaningful for you? Thirdly, would you get on the job opportunities in their setup? Like I mentioned earlier, that startups are a great place to leverage. They are lean because they are lean, usually tight on budgets, and are designed to provide an immersive experience while you are there. Lastly, you must definitely check for employee reviews on platforms like Glassdoor.com, ZipRecruiter, Indeed hiring platform, Dice, Hired, etc. Number three, mentorship and learning opportunities. An ideal internship should offer more than just mundane tasks. You should look for positions that provide you with a structured mentorship and learning opportunities. A good mentor can provide guidance, feedback, and can help you navigate the complexities of the professional world. Look for internships with training sessions, workshops, diverse projects which will enrich your skill set and overall experience, especially if they can be cross functional exposure. In my experience, this is the most rewarding and impactful option. It gives you the big picture about the cross functional dynamics of the organization. Number four on my list is networking potential. It's very, very important. See, we need to understand that the internships are an excellent option for expanding your professional network. You have to focus on building relationships with industry professionals, fellow interns, and colleagues. Networking can open doors to future job opportunities and collaborations. You must attend company events, join professional groups, and connect with your colleagues on LinkedIn to build a robust professional network. Here's another tip, guys. Work on your social media presence. LinkedIn is a great platform. So far, if you're liking the video, do subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so moving on. At number five, we have location and logistics. Practical considerations such as location, commute, or living arrangements are also important. An internship in a different city or a country can be a great adventure, but make sure you handle the logistical challenges. You must evaluate the cost of living, availability of housing, and your comfort with relocating. Often candidates are not well planned and struggle to manage during their internships. Some of them even end up leaving internships midway. Now, that can have a negative impact, right? Okay, so next point to account is compensation and benefits. Remember, internships are primarily about gaining experience. Fair compensation is also important, but understand the financial aspects of the internship: stipend, housing allowance, transportation, reimbursement, etc. Well, here's a pro tip, guys. Please don't be rigid. Even unpaid internships can be extremely valuable, but ensure they offer substantial learning opportunities to justify the lack of pay. Number seven on my list is companies' reputation and opportunities for advancement. The reputation of the company, and its standing in the industry can significantly impact your resume and future prospects. Interning at a well-known and a respected company can be a strong addition to your resume. You must inquire about possibility of transitioning into full-time roles after the internship. Well, a reminder here, many companies use internships as a pipeline for full-time positions. Last but not the least is to consider the work-life balance. Well, it's offered in internship or not is something that you have to dwell and you have to figure out. Again, a reminder to engage with your network. So, friends, in a nutshell, finding the right internship is a big decision and requires extensive research, preparation, and timing. You should just not completely depend on your college and institution and assume that a juicy internship will fall into your lap. It's your responsibility and your future. So take these insights into consideration by choosing an internship that not only enhances your resume but also enriches your professional and personal development. Remember, the goal is to find the opportunity where you can learn, grow, and lay a solid foundation for your future career. Stay tuned for more career related insights and see you soon in my next video. God bless.